What's happening, guys? It's the Stock Guru, the coolest stock trader on YouTube. And today I'm going to be making kind of a market overview, watch list review type video. The market has been pretty choppy lately, so it's been tough to find stocks that are uptrending, up and to the right, which is what I typically like to trade. So I'm just going to be talking about what's going on in the market today and my opinions on it all. So let's jump right into the cues to get a good sense of what's going on with the market. So as everybody really should know, we've had this big correction, and since that correction, we've basically, or the correction or sell-off, we've basically just been in this consolidation range. And while being in that consolidation range, we pretty much have no direction from the market. So if we look at the SPY, the ETF for the S&P, we're going to see pretty much the same chart here. We have this big sell-off and then this consolidation, and then it's just been consolidating here for quite some time. It looks like maybe it's trying to make new highs, which would be good, but I don't think we're quite there yet. So let's jump right into the watch list, where I've really been trying to focus on stocks that have been able to hold up well during this period. So Roku has been one of the best. It might be a little bit overbought right now, but as you can see, it's been holding up great throughout this consolidation period that we've been in the market. I'm not probably going to be getting in soon because it's a little bit too high for me. But, I mean, Roku has been fantastic lately. If you got in here at the break of this high, I mean, you're looking at about 15+%. That's not bad at all. Come on. Next, MU. Making some, or not making new highs, but breaking out of this consolidation range today. It really has had a similar chart to the overall market, how it has this downtrend here and consolidation period here, but it looks to be a bit more bullish than the rest of the market with this uptrend today. Let's just take a look at this on a daily chart right here so you can see exactly what it's done today. So yeah, it broke out of this consolidation range today. This is what we're looking for in most of the market. So this is pretty solid. I wouldn't be, let me take it back here. I wouldn't be surprised if we retested the support here, the old resistance. I wouldn't be surprised if we retest this before continuing up. But yeah, just MU is looking pretty solid. Now moving on to Coupa Software. Again, I think, yeah, broke new highs again today, just like MU. This one seems to, in my eyes, a little bit more solid than MU because it doesn't seem like it has such a similar chart as the rest of the market. It had this downtrend here, but it was able to stay above the SMA, and it still looks pretty solid. Definitely an up and to the right pattern here. So this is definitely something I'm going to be keeping my eyes on. It looks like it broke new highs today and then came back down, retesting this new support here, old resistance. So that one looks a little bit more promising. Now we can move over into AMAT here. Now this, it also kind of looks like it's breaking out of this consolidation range. Today it had some higher highs here, but it still kind of is in this consolidation range. But overall, it's been holding up pretty well. Ignore the loser defect here. But overall, it's had a pretty up and to the right uptrend here, so this looks solid to me. Now, speaking of up and to the right, this next one is probably my favorite, if not my second favorite, AYX. So take a look at this chart, guys. Even with everything that's been going on with the trade war, the market, this has been holding up great. So I'm thinking about definitely getting into this when I have a good price. It made new highs today. I'd like to get in a little bit lower. Maybe see if I could have gotten in on at like this price here, something around this range, ride that up. I mean, it's not much. It's not much, guys, but we're getting what we can here. But overall, AYX I think looks great considering the market conditions that we have right now. And with BALL, BLL, ticker symbol BLL, we're going to see a very similar pattern here. Straight up and to the right. It's been holding up great throughout this, the market conditions. Definitely something I've got my eye on here. Now, this is really what I look for, guys. These up and to the right patterns, this is what I want to find. It's hard to find them right now with the way the market's been going, but that's why I'm making this video, to maybe shed some light on some of the stocks that are holding up better. And lastly, we have AUDC. Not quite as solid of an uptrend, but definitely still an uptrend. Reason of interest for me here is because it went up here and then it had this pullback down to support, the support that I found right around this price level. And it seems like it is starting to come back up here where I have some alerts here. So once this starts making new highs, once it breaks around this range, I'll probably start trading it. But I think it definitely looks like it's been holding up pretty well. And there was one other one here. I think it's Shopify. This one isn't quite ready, but this is definitely something I'm looking out for. So again, the same type of up and to the right pattern that I like to see. It had even throughout this tough market we've had, and it broke new highs over this high here and set this high at 409, and then it started to retrace a bit here, which is why I have my Fibonacci out. So I would like to see this retracement stop somewhere around this. Well, it's actually already touched this 50% mark. So if we can keep this support and start heading up, I'll probably take a trade on it. This one is looking pretty solid. I probably should add it to my current watch list, but yeah, there we go here. So it's looking pretty good. Above new highs, it should do pretty well. Let's just see what it's got to go from here. Again, guys, sorry, I forgot to turn off my notifications. I'll do that next time, but sorry about that. But yeah, over 5% from where it's at right now, which really isn't bad. So I really hope this video was able to shed some light on some stocks that are doing a little bit better throughout this tough market we've been having. For me personally, it's been a little bit more difficult to find some steady stocks, but I think I finally got a good batch here. I mean, I've got a whole watch list here that I like to keep track on, but this is just what looks good to me right now. So if you guys like the video, please drop it a like. Check out some of my other videos. I'm really trying to upload educational content that has a lot of value. Guys, if you like these type of videos, please subscribe. It's going to show me that you guys like them, and I'll keep making more of them. But yeah, for now, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'm out.